In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to create a 3D spinning logo in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So I have some YouTube video right here, and basically what you'd want to do in order for you to make this spin is that at first I'm going to select the clip, go into Effect Controls, and I'm going to scale it a bit so that it will be much bigger. And then from here is that I'm going to go into the Effects tab. So if you don't have this, go into Window and click on Effects so that you'd be able to see this tab, and just simply go for Basic 3D, which is this one. Drag this into the logo right here. So now we have that effect here. So go into Effect Controls and just simply go here into Swivel and position your playhead in the beginning and go into the keyframe and go into the end of your clip right here, and then go into 360 right there. So that would mean that it will do a full rotation, as you can see right there. And now is that what you would want to do is, if you want to loop this, then you can just simply go and duplicate it as much as you want. And then now when you play it, you will have this smooth loop effect right here. And next is that if you'd want to make this faster, is that you can just go make the keyframes nearer each other right here. So as you can see, it is now much faster compared to this one right here with the longer distance from each keyframe. And lastly is that you could also add some tilt into it. So if you'd want, you could also animate the tilt. Like for example, I would want it to be slightly tilted like that. And then distance to image is also available. So yeah, you can just animate it just like this one if you'd want. So that's it on how you'd be able to add a spinning logo animation here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.